Welcome to the video series, An Introduction to Using Microsoft Teams, brought to you by Progressive Computing, Inc. This is Part 9, Join and Create a Team. There are several ways to be added to a team, but the most common scenario is that someone will add you to the team you need to participate in. In a later video, I will show how managers manage a team and add people that way. Therefore, you will likely not need to join a team ever, but I'm going to step through this anyway so you will understand how it is done. Select the Join or Create a Team link at the bottom of the screen, and select the Join a Team with a code box. Now again, normally you do not need to do this, as others will invite you to join a team. So why do this? Well, this is typically used in larger organizations, typically enterprise companies or mid-sized companies with many hundreds or even thousands of employees, who would then distribute a list of codes for teams that people can join. But in most small and mid-sized operations of your size and our size, we wouldn't normally do this. So it doesn't make a lot of sense. But again, I wanted you to understand that it is here, and if you see it, why it exists. Now let's move over to how to create a team. This function is generally restricted to managers or users who have been granted the proper security rights to create a team. Now, team sprawl is a phenomenon where teams are created randomly without thoughtful planning and can lead to lower productivity rather than greater efficiency that we're attempting to achieve. So we want to avoid granting everyone this capability. However, even if you are not permitted to create teams, there is value in understanding how it gets done. So again, we're going to start by selecting the Join or Create Team link at the bottom of the screen. And this time we're going to select the Create a Team link. From this menu, the most common method to create a team is to create one from scratch, so you can select the right options. But Teams also offers additional methods, including the use of templates. We will not cover these in this training, as each template can be pretty complex and have very specific examples that may not apply to you. After selecting from scratch, pick either private or public. Now, a private team is something in which people need permission to join. You cannot just join a private team, and you'll notice sometimes that teams and channels will have a lock icon on them to indicate that they are private, or you may not even see it at all. Whereas a public team is something that anyone can join. And now your team will be created. In the next few videos, we will cover managing teams and creating channels to get the job done.